Hey there, it's Jenny, and I am back to share with you how I planned this week in my memory planner. I've already printed the photos. I use an app called Pick Frame to put together this collage, and then I print them on my Canon selfie printer. I have had great success with this. I've been doing this all for, I can't even tell you how many years, probably 10. This is my seventh memory planner or something like that, and it just really works super well for me. So I've cut them apart with my paper trimmer, and I've also got a couple of different sizes of photos. Most of them are approximately 1.5 by 2. However, there are a couple that are 2 by 3. I found that I like this variety when I have a photo that's a little bit more important or I really want to highlight. And then the other smaller photos are great because they are better size to not take up so much room. So those bigger photos really were making me feel like they were too crowded on the page and I couldn't include as many photos as I wanted. So this is a great solution for me. It's just printing them a little bit smaller, and then photos that I want to highlight, I can make a little bit bigger. So you can see right here I have 4 photos on the left-hand side, and then I also have, 7 photos on the right-hand side. So that is a grand total of 11 photos. So that's exactly why I cannot print bigger photos. So someday when I have fewer photos, I could print those fewer photos a bit larger. However, at this point, I have so many, they need to be smaller in order to incorporate all of the things that I want to use. This week I am using the Cocoa Daisy Cactus Moon sticker kits, primarily the memory keeping sticker kit. However, I will mix in a couple of others just because they are super cute and match together as well. I misdated. As you can see, I forgot to date Friday, so I'll fix that in just a little bit. But let's not worry about it because it's really not that big of a deal. Now, this little sticker down here on the right-hand side, I'm starting there, and I turned it on its side. It fit the space that way. I could have peeled up the photo and put that there. However, I decided that I wanted it to just be horizontal instead. I like that. And then I also added that little cactus right there. It gives a little flair, if you will. It's very cute. And then also the washi strip. So you have the background, you have the anchor, and you have the accent, the 3 parts of my clusters. I am going to now add, well, first I'm going to fix the dates because I screwed those up, which is fine, right? But I'm now going to add all of the boxes for the activities throughout the week. So this was a big week for me. We traveled out of town. My son had a baseball tournament, just all kinds of things. So I am adding them all. I'm also using the alphabet stickers. This is just a really super fun way to add a little bit of extra decorative flair by also being functional at the same time. I would have written to Arizona or drive to Arizona or something like that, which actually now that I think about that, I might go back and write drive on there as well. But not the point. It looks cute. The alphabet stickers look nice, and then you also get that function as well. So it's a double whammy, if you will. You get to combine both things. Now, I really like these. I always really prefer a sans serif plain alphabet sticker, and so these are some that I absolutely love. And I also really love the ones that have the outside, like outlines the stamp or the sticker, the alphabet, if you will. But these are very cute, and the color is nice too because it stands out. You can see it, but it's not really dark, and there's not a ton of contrast there. So very cute. Now for my photo organization, I do like to try to include the photos on the days that they were taken. However, there are certain ones that it doesn't really matter. So for example, those flowers, they were on my counter all week, so it didn't really matter which day they went. Or the photo of the soda cup on the bottom, I had a soda Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so it didn't really matter which day I put that. So I just put it on the day that it had some room, and instead of including all of these photos about the tournament, like of my actual son playing baseball. I included some other things from the weekend instead. I mean, I do have a baseball picture down there on the lower left. However, instead of having 5 baseball photos, I included a picture of the team together at dinner. I included a picture of the sign for the park where he played. I included that picture of the soda, things like that, that just sort of tells the whole story, because obviously we were there for baseball. Obviously I have pictures of him playing baseball, but this also tells the story of the entire weekend. And ordinarily, I would be one that would just put a picture of my son up to bat, or my son running the bases, something like that. But this really worked out well, so I like it. One of the things I really like about the Cocoa Daisy kits is there's a wide variety of types of stickers. There's decoratives, there's quotes like I'm putting down right there in that little bit of white space. There's the alphabet stickers, there's boxes. There's just a huge variety. And so I feel like I can do basically anything I want to do with a sticker kit or two. Like I can plan in my regular planner, I can plan here in my memory planner and include all of the elements, especially if I have some stamps too. That's really super fun. Now you can see I put that big box up at the top left. It's a really cute geometric pattern, so I decided that on top of it I would place one of these clear quotes and then just tear a little strip from a washi strip in a little bit, but I'm going to do a similar thing down at the bottom. I flipped the sticker on its side just like I did on the right hand side, so you have that sense of balance, and then it also fit really well there as also. Then I put down that little cactus sticker, so there's my accent, or my anchor, I'm sorry, and now I just put that little word sticker down as my accent. So we have my background, my anchor, and my accent. And then same thing, there's that washi strip that I told you about. It's just a little accent, and it just makes it look really cute. I try to keep my embellishment clusters to 3, but if I do want to go bigger than that, I'll do 5. Not usually 7, but 3, and the occasional 5 as well, but the 3 really works well and keeping it in that idea. So now I'm just going to add that little bit of journaling about the week. Obviously, it was very full. The planner is already very full. And most of the stories are kind of self-explanatory. There was a baseball tournament. We went to Iowa. I got a haircut, things like that. There weren't too many things I could talk about unless I wanted to talk about my feelings of, or something like that. But otherwise, it is fantastic just like it is. Thanks very much for stopping by and watching. I really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below, and I will do my best to get back to you. Thanks so much, and make it a great day.